In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Mailerlite in 2025 step by step. To get started, log into your Mailerlite account and open the dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Forms. From there, choose the Embedded Forms tab and then click Create Form. This is where you'll begin building the form that you want to place on your website. Next, give your form an internal name. This is mainly for your own organization, so choose something clear and easy to recognize, like a newsletter sign-up form. Make sure the form type is set to Embedded Form, and then click Save and Continue. After that, you'll need to select the subscriber group where new contacts should be added when they fill out the form. This is an important part because it helps keep your audience organized right from the beginning. Once you've chosen the correct group, click Continue. Now you can start customizing the form itself. Edit the heading and description so visitors understand exactly what they're signing up for. You can also change the sign up button text and add your branding or any extra content you want included. This is a good moment to make the form feel consistent with your website and brand style. Next, move on to the form fields. You can click any existing field to edit it, or use Add Field if you want to collect more information, such as a name, phone number, or custom field. You can also drag and reorder the fields so the form flows in a logical way. In general, keeping the form simple can help improve signups. Then open the design settings. Here you can adjust the font, colors, background, layout, field styles, and button style. These visual changes help the form blend naturally into your site instead of looking out of place. After the design is set, open the Settings tab. This is where you can enable options like a privacy policy, a confirmation checkbox, marketing permissions, interest groups, reCAPTCHA, a custom success page, and hidden segmentation fields. Review these carefully so the form matches both your marketing goals and any compliance needs. At the top, click Success Message and customize what people see after they submit the form. Once you've updated it, click Save. Before publishing, preview the form and double check that all the fields, text, and buttons look right. When everything looks good, click Next to save the form and continue. Finally, go to the form's overview page, find the JavaScript snippet or HTML embed option, copy the code, and add it to your website wherever you want the form to appear. Once it's live, test the form on your site by entering a sample name and email address, then submit it. After that, check the subscribers section in Mailerlite to confirm the new subscriber was added to the correct group. That's it. You've successfully created and installed a Mailerlite form.